Now let's draw a form of ramp which is an arc. The last form was straight, now we want it to be an arc. So select the arc and then manage the properties. From level 1 to level 1 the width would be 1.20. We go to edit type and the slope would be 7%. In this form you cannot do that much because when you select the form of an arc, for example if I start from here, we cannot control it that much. For example, if I bring this until here, all of it will be designed and it will leave a dimension at the end of it, and the ramp will have a different slope at the end of it. It considered it for this. Now, in order to make it a bit more variant, I designed it in two parts. One part is this one and one part is designed here. And it will have a nice landing. You can also delete the landing and design it by yourself. For example, you can continue this one. And then I select the boundary and continue this until here. And then connect it, for example, to this. And I can also make this part a fillet. And also this one. Actually, you're free in this landing. You can do whatever you want. Like this. Well, it's not something that correct, but it's good as an example. Now, this is the landing. And the end of it, I said we fix it by using the floor. So I finish it and that's it. Just like this. Now, let's see the 3D. And that's it. I also told you that the message is for the railings. And we will talk about the railings. I will tell you how to fix them. It's actually not that complicated. I don't want to enter it now. If you just split, it will be okay. And for this part, just like I said, we need to edit the floor. For example, this way. Finish. Let me delete the railings so that you can see it better. And that's it.